I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device meets the minimum OS requirement, because emoji support is tied to system fonts. Once done, back up any custom keyboard layouts or text shortcuts so you can restore them. Next, go directly to Settings and open the Keyboard or Languages and Input panel to begin. This is where you'll update the keyboard or install an emoji-compatible input method. You now update the keyboard app or system font package, because the newest emoji are delivered through those updates. Make sure you hit Update in the App Store or Play Store, then install an emoji-enabled keyboard if needed. Once installed, enable it in Settings and set it as your default input. This ensures apps use the updated emoji set immediately, and you avoid conflicts between multiple keyboard providers. You finish by restarting your device so the new fonts load system-wide, then test emoji in Messages or Notes to confirm. If you still see blanks or generic squares, clear the keyboard cache or reinstall the keyboard app. That resolves most mismatch issues. If problems persist, make sure your language and region settings match the keyboard, and verify the OS is fully updated. Those steps fix the remaining edge cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.